I'm going to go into a little bit more detail about one of the features in Tiny, which is the patio. Right now, it's a little bit more of a permanent setup that we have because we have it boondocked in the yard of our wood shop. But as mentioned in the earlier video, if we were on the move, when we park, we can open this up and use it, use the French doors to come onto the patio. And when we decide to move on, it will go up with the winch up top of the van, and I will show you how it actually works. So I'm gonna kind of undo our permanent setup and put this chairs aside, move the trees, or what do you call them, and then we'll take it from there. Now that we have removed everything, we can start the process of taking the line down from the winch, and it actually works on the remote control. So once you have it all the way up, the winch has pulled it in, and you would want to get on the road. Obviously, the winch line is still holding it up, but there are additional locks at the back of the van, and you can use those locks to secure the gate into the closed position. And to open it up, it's just the reverse operation. So open the locks if you have closed them, and then use the winch to bring it back down.